I argue that there are 5 kind of tools we've always had for fixing the future, and our period's no different. There's innovation, the market, which is great. There's regulation, the government, which also has value. But there's also consumer behavior, which is the car example. Consumers, no one was forcing people not to buy American cars in the mid-'60s. Nader came out with a book, Ralph Nader, saying, unsafe at any speed, American cars are coffins. Consumers woke up and they started buying German and Japanese cars. We know the history since.
Yep.
So consumer activism is really important.
100%.
Citizen activism, of course, citizen engagement, wanting to make the world a better place is really important, and education. So those 5 tools are really important today as they were in the Industrial Revolution. I remind people that's the way we create agency. That's how we shape the future rather than the future shaping us. But it's not just one thing.
No.
It's always too easy to say
No, it's definitely
just
not one
regulation,
thing. Yeah.
just innovation, just consumers, just education, just citizen activism. It needs to be all 5.